Hi, my name is Atinga.
My name is Nyaruach.
Yeah, I watched your last video that you uploaded online.
Yeah.
So I was, I was so touched, and then that was the reason why I decided to come down today in order to have a conversation with you about relationship, marriage as a whole.
Yeah.
So what do you think about marriage, and then what people are going through in their marital home? What do you think about it?
Yeah, the love, there's so many thousands of men, thousands of women are affected by a fake relationship. If you fall in love with women, both of you supposed to be honest and say the truth. Example, if it comes to the bed, if you are in the bed with a woman, the woman must tell you if you satisfy her or not. Because if the woman is not honest to you, that woman will get out. Because you can do your thing like you satisfy her, but there's something that woman can even do, can do something so that you cannot lose two of you, because there's a big war in bed.
But how would a man knows if he is satisfying his wife on bed?
A woman can tell if you are good, if the way you talk to women, the way you sleep with women, and the way you respect women. If there's something that is missing, your wife can cover it, can help you, because you cannot know whether you are satisfying her or not. Because when you disagree with something, there's so many women, they put secret in their heart. They cannot know, they cannot tell you the secret exactly why they leave you, and then they can leave you and get a different man. So you need to be honest.
So when it comes to bed, does size matters? When it comes to having, sleeping with a woman on bed, does size really matter?
It depends. Maybe you know how to do it or you don't know how to do it. If you don't know how to do it and the woman is shy, the woman will not tell you exactly. The woman will just,
So if the woman is not saying it, then how would the man know if he's not satisfying the woman on
You
bed?
will just know the sign, because the woman get annoyed very quickly. When the woman is talking to you, you will just see the way he's talking. Is she happy or she's not happy? And when a woman talk, you have to pay attention on what she said. Everything, every word, you have to pay attention, because they are...
What you mean now is attention go a long way when it comes to marital affair. When you are doing well, either you are doing well financially or on bed, a man used to need to pay an attention if the woman is enjoying him or her, isn't it? Is that what you are trying to say?
I'm trying to say it, if a woman is not opening her heart to you, is not telling you, not helping you in the bed, so both of you may lose any time. Because maybe a woman cannot know how to do the sex with you, or maybe you don't know, and then, or maybe there's a problem of money, because women, they put money sometime, because if they see you are not a responsible man, they will just run away, because we are the people who can give birth and we are scared of responsibility.
So now, what is your advice for men and women in terms of marriage or in terms of marital affair? What is your advice for them?
My advice is, because the time when you begin, the beginning, you need to learn each other before bed. Don't ask for bed. Just stay with your wife or stay with your girlfriend. No bed, no girlfriend. Just take time to read our mind, to know you. And then when the girl is ready or you are ready, you will just know automatically. You just know.
So what you mean is before a man or a woman go into a relationship, they have to be friends first.
Yes, to be friends.
But like I said, sometimes there are some men, they are not good on bed. And there are some women, they are not good on bed as well. So if you are into a courtship with a woman or with a man for a very long time without being on bed together, then if you end up being in a courtship for over a year, then you end up, or you decided to come together as husband and wife, then if you now realize that the man or the woman is not good on bed to your own satisfaction, so what are you going to do?
No, you see, there's a problem here with the men. When you are in the house, you just end up with in a bed. This one is not the thing that we like, because if you fall in love with a man and immediately bed, you guys, you will not be together, because you will know each other immediately, and you are not ready for marriage. You have to marry first and then you go. Because if you just know the girl, you sleep with the girl, you already know everything. You already You already know everything. So you cannot have interest to marry her because you already know her.
So your advice now is a man or a woman shouldn't go on bed with each other before marriage.
Yeah, yeah.
Why?
Yeah, you have to learn. You learn each other. Example, if I want to love you right now,
Okay.
I want to know you, the way you behave, the way you talk. I want to know what you like. I want to feel you are talking. I want to feel the way you move. I want to know you, to learn you. I can come to your house. I can cook food. I can do anything with you. And I can talk. Sometimes we can agree a little bit. So I want to know that you really love me. And then that's the time the love can grow. You will love me very quick and you cannot leave me.
So in your own opinion, how long do you think that should take for a man or for a woman to study a man or a woman?
Maybe a year, or maybe 2 years, or maybe 6 months. It depends. The way you can react, the way you can overcome the problem.
But do you know that there are some men that has lost their relationship based on sexual intercourse? There are some men they want to, go on bed with the woman before they marry. But if the woman refused, they end up having issue with their relationship.
Yes, a woman doesn't want sex immediately. A woman want to read if you really love her. If you really love her, and then you will get this.
So what's your advice for church lady that is into a relationship with a man that is not ready to take his or her time? Maybe the man is not ready to take his time, or the woman is not ready to take her time for them to know more about each other before they go on bed. What is your advice for both gender? If, for example, as a man, if I'm dating a lady and the lady doesn't want me to go on bed with her during our courtship, and if I tell her that if she doesn't want me to have a sexual intercourse with her, I'm done. So what is your advice for church lady?
So the lady, I just want you maybe to accept the lady idea. If you see the lady is not accepting this, you cannot accept, because majority of men, they just end up with the bed. When they see the bed like this, that's the time they need it. But us, we only want the love first, and then bed is later.
So how would you know if somebody loves you?
So if somebody loves you, that person can call you, can communicate with you, can talk to you, can ask you, how are you doing? Why you are not around? How do you, when are you coming? There's so many things that a man can follow you up. A man cannot be giving up even if you guys have a problem with talking. Yeah.
But love does not count that way. Sometimes you might think that because somebody is calling you, communicating with you often means he loves you. It doesn't really count that way.
No,
honestly.
But sex, this, when you have this thing, you are together, that's the thing that will affect all of us. It is going to affect you, because I can love you today and tomorrow I will open another channel, because I know you will not get ready to marry me. You already used me, and then we start war again in relationship. That's why all over the world there's a fake relationship, because of doing things very quickly.